Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better. I use a, let's say, low quality lavalier wireless microphone set by Boya. But to be honest, when I watch my videos back, I don't think they are that bad. But I need to do a bit of processing, and I'll show you what I do to make them a bit better. But first of all, there are two tips I really should give you, because if you don't do this right, your audio won't come out right, even with all the tweaking. So first of all is your meters. Try to have good loud, but not clipping audio. Check that the audio is loud, because if your audio is really soft, you'll need to add more audio in post. That will introduce noise, so try not to do that. Try to look at the meters and see if you're good. Your recorded audio at front should be at least usable. And the second tip is the placement. Mainly, the placement for men is a bit lower than I have my microphone. Let's say around the neck area is where mostly women will have a lavalier microphone, and maybe around here is mostly where men will have a lavalier microphone.
So right now we're in Premiere Pro, and this part is the clip which we'll be editing. That's the first clip of the video. Right now I'll play the video without any edits to the audio.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better.
So yeah, it does sound okay, mainly because I looked at the meters. I don't have to add any audio in post, which will not introduce more hiss in the file, which is great. So we'll scooch the timeline up and we'll go to the audio track mixer. If you don't have the audio track mixer, just go to Window and select audio track mixer and dock it somewhere so you can use it. I'll use 4 effects, and the first effect is within filter and EQ. We'll go to the parametric equalizer. We'll select that, we'll double click to open it, and on the preset we use one of Premiere's presets, which is the vocal enhancer. There is not much you have to change, but you can change and tune things to your liking. So for frequency, this is a cutoff rate, so everything below the 80 Hz will be cut off. Which helps also with noise reduction. If you have a female presenter, for instance, you can scooch the frequency a bit more up to, let's say, 110 Hz. The rule of thumb is if someone has a bassy voice, keep it at 80 Hz. If someone has not a bassy voice, you can scooch it up to 110 at maximum, or that's what I'm used to. I'll just keep it for now at 80, and I also really like to play a bit with this one to move that a bit lower for my personal preference.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better.
So, because English is not my first language, it's really important to distinguish the different words which I'm saying, and I'm notice that the frequencies within here and the mic, maybe a combination between my microphone and my speaking, is that the distinction between my words aren't as clear. And if I pull this a little bit lower, it feels like the words are quite clearer to me, to my ears. So let's listen again.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better.
Well, and it should be better by just adding a parametric equalizer right now, but there is a little bit of noise, so we'll go to noise reduction and restoration, we'll go to denoise, we'll open up denoise, and the thing with denoise is you shouldn't use a lot. Right now I'll show you the clip with the presets from the default preset from Premiere, and why you never should use the default preset.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make
So it basically sounds like you're in a fish tank. But nonetheless, the denoise is a really useful tool, but you just need to use a little bit of it. So I'll go with 5%, focusing it on all frequencies, and let's try again.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better.
So in combination with the parametric equalizer, cutting off a lot of the low end frequencies which would end up as noise anyway, and the denoiser just using 5%, and I think that's even a bit too much for this video. Maybe I'll just keep it on 4%, and you'll hear that the noise is nearly gone. Besides that, I'll add a little bit of music under the video, so all the noise is basically gone at that point, because everything overpowers the noise at that moment. So the room which I record in is quite big and a bit reverby, a bit echoey, so I'll go again to noise reduction and restoration and go to de-reverb. And basically what you'll do with de-reverb is the same as you did with denoise. Just use a little bit. For instance, we'll just try 5% and let's go.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier.
And let's put auto gain off.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better.
And that does sound really good. So the last thing we'll do is we'll add a little bit of bass to give my voice a bit of a richer sound, which the mic doesn't have on its own. So we go again to filter and EQ, we'll go to bass, and we'll just add 2 decibels of bass. Not much, because otherwise it will just be a bassy mess.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better.
And that's basically it. So right here I have the same clip right here, but it's on a second track. So what we'll do is we'll just grab the clip and put it next to it. And as you see, this track is the track we've edited with the 4 parameters, and this track is unedited, and we'll see what the difference is.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your sound from a lavalier microphone a slightly bit better. Welcome to a
And that's basically it. That's my routine, how I added my audio. I would encourage you to play a bit more with your own stuff, but I do really like these settings.
So I've just shown you guys my routine, how I fix up my audio. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a short video, but I just want to learn you guys something. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. If you have any other questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon.